Hey there, PocketSuite Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you all about how to navigate the settings menu. I'm going to talk about the different sections and where to find some super important and helpful things. Okay, so now we have come to the fifth and final icon along that navigation panel at the bottom of your screen, also known as the settings. Okay, so I want you to think of the settings as the back door to your business. This is where you go to fine-tune your menu of offerings and make sure that your price is right, that your packages are done correctly, that you just have all of the things that are going to delight your clients, okay? So when you first tap on the settings icon, the first section there is how would you like to customize your account? Okay, so there's tons of customization options from which features you'd like to have toggled on and access to your profile or business, where you're going to select a business name. You can change your business name from there. Okay, you can refer PocketSuite and actually get rewarded through PocketSuite if people, become clients of ours. You can set your business location, default memos. We're going to go over all of these kind of individually in playlists, but this is a great kind of place to spend some time here to customize and make sure that all your offerings, all of your settings are just right. The next section is what goods and services do you provide? This is where basically you set up your list of items, right? Your menu items. These are going to be your menu offerings and the pricings that your clients may or may not see online. You can have the option to toggle these things to show online, or maybe have these things sent specifically to specific clients. Okay. All of the things that are under this subsection here, what goods and services do you provide, they're going to work basically the same way. When you select one, there's always going to be a plus sign in the upper right-hand corner. The plus sign in the upper right-hand corner under settings is let's add to my menu. Okay, you are adding to your menu under settings. You will also see plus signs in the upper right-hand corner on your home screen under the dashboards there. The dashboards on your home screen, those plus signs are for you to sell the different items. Okay, so under settings is where you go to create or edit or change or delete altogether the settings. Okay, so there's the services that you offer. So there's also going to be a plus sign in the upper right hand corner. There's going to be a magnifying glass so you can search more readily for the items that you're looking for. When you create them, they'll appear right here. The plus sign in the upper right hand corner will allow you to add from defaults or select brand new ones. In other words, start from scratch. Once you add them, they'll appear here. If you select one, you always have three options, right? Share, edit, or copy. If you share the booking link, you're sharing the booking link for just this specific item. In this case, it's the mini acne facial. If you tap copy, everything copies over except for the name. Okay. When you create the name, it actually generates a unique URL. It's basically like a web page for that service. So when you change the name, that web page also changes. So we can't have duplicates, right? We can't have the same names for different services. So copies everything over except for the name. And then if you tap on edit, you will actually open up whatever item this is. In this case, it's a service. And be able to look at the different settings in there too. But I just want to kind of rinse and repeat and show you again. Now it's packages, same kind of thing. They appear here. Plus sign allows you to add. If you select one, you can share, edit, and copy. So all of these things under here, under what goods and services do you provide, are going to give you that option, right? And then there's the scheduling section. We spend a lot of time here during the foundations call to make sure that everything is set up correctly. In your marketing suite, we spend a lot of time here in the Growth Lab call. So lots of good marketing kind of features under there. And then finally, the payments section. This is where you'll go to kind of set up all of your payments stuff. Taxes, gratuity, whether you want to buy a card reader, if you want to add a payment method there. And then all the way at the bottom is additional support, right? Where you can go to either change your plan, access tutorials, or our Suite Center, aka Learn More. If you tap on that button, it will redirect you to our Suite Center, and just different ways where you can either import things, export things, and otherwise get in contact with our team. So lots of good stuff under this settings tab. And hopefully I'll see you at the next ones so we can kind of dig into these things and learn what they are.